Okay students, now let me tell you about the career and jobs after doing this mass media and communication course. Okay, so if you are wondering what sort of job you'll get after doing this course, so here is the list that I have prepared. Number 1 is advertising. Advertising is a visual or an audio form of marketing communication which aims at promoting or selling a product. So whenever you work for the advertising, that means you are working for the advertising agency. And there are two broad divisions. Number 1 is executive and other one is creative. So in the creative side, you can be a copywriter, a script writer, photographer, visualers, etc. And if you want to work for the executive side, you can be a media research, a planner, a media market research, etc. Okay, so if you want to work for the advertising company, you can work in the advertising agency. Another second option you can go for is DJ, that is disc jockey. Disc jockey is also known as DJs, playing musical recording on radio shows, at nightclubs and at public events. DJs mostly work for radio stations, presenting programs, talk shows and chart shows. They also have job opportunities in different clubs, okay, in discotheques, in event companies, etc. So you can also go for a DJing course after taking this subject. The other option is film making. Film making is a process that includes multiple aspects such as storytelling, direction, screenplay, cinematography, casting of actors, deciding budget and location of shoot, etc. So if you have a similar passion to connect with the audience through your creative expression of storytelling, then a career in filmmaking is what you should be looking for. So if you want to pursue a career in filmmaking, you can also be a music director, you can be a producer, assistant director, camera person, photographer. So there are multiple options if you go into filmmaking. Another option is journalism. Today, journalism as a career stands not only for a prestigious profession but also for a challenging career option. Journalists play a key role in the growth of the nation, in the development of the society. So the core purpose of journalism is to inform, is to educate and to enlighten the mass on various issues revolving around them. So studying journalism opens a door to a rich number of careers where your creativity, your writing, your communication, your research skills are invaluable. Job option after pursuing journalism course are: you can be a broadcast journalist, you can be an editorial assistant, you can be a magazine feature editor, magazine journalist, newspaper journalist, you can be a news reporter, a news reader, political risk analyst, publishing copy editor, a proofreader. So there are multiple career options if you get into journalism. Another career option is a public relation. Public relation refers to the relationship between a company and a public. So people working in public relation help a company project a positive image to a public in order to achieve its goal. So the public relation must have strong written, verbal and presentation skills. They should be well organized, they should be detail oriented and also be assertive and comfortable reaching out to others. So on completion of this program, student also can opt for the job of diverse profiles such as public relation executive, public relation manager, marketing and communication head, public relation officer, PR and communication specialist, public relation officer, teacher and also a lecturer. So after doing this course, that is mass media and communication, you can also do a course in public relation, and you have multiple options in this also. Okay, the next career option you can opt for is radio jockeying, that is RJ. Okay, RJ is a person who hosts a talk show on the radio. Radio jockey is an exciting, it's a promising and extremely challenging career for music lovers. If you are really interested in a radio jockey career, then it is very important for you to have spontaneous, pleasant, friendly personality. There is a good scope for a radio jockey to get employment opportunity even in the government sector and even in the private sector. If you want to work for the government sector, you can get job in All India Radio, the local state radio stations, and if you want to be a radio jockey in the private sector, you can also join Radio Mirchi, Big FM, FM Radio, Radio Misty. So these are the FM channels and you can apply your job after doing this course. Now comes video jockeying, that is VJs. I think you have seen VJs in MTV like Nikhil Chanappa, like Malaika Arora, the VJs in V channel like Sushma Reddy, Purav Kohli. So these are the VJs. So after doing this course, the video jockeying is one of the exciting career option for music crazy generation. The main job of VJ is to introduce the music videos and host music related shows in the television. So after doing mass media and communication, you can also be the next VJ in any of the music channel. The next one is photography. The next career option is photography. So I think this photography, this does not need any kind of introduction. You may be well versed with the cameras, you may be taking a selfies, okay? So if you got real talent, photography is a great career option. Your passion will pay you a lot if you make it big. But just having a DSLR won't make anyone a professional photographer. You just have a camera but you don't know how to operate. That doesn't make a professional photographer. You need to learn a craft with all your heart. But be it a wildlife photography, fashion photography, people photography, photojournalist, nature photography, etc., you need to know what's your trade. So you will learn beat photography also after doing this course. In this subject, you will be learning how to operate the cameras, how to handle, how to play with the camera. So photography is also another career option for you all. The next option is vlogging and blogging. A few years ago, this wasn't even considered as a profession. Vlogger, blogger, no, this was not a profession. But now, what the people used to do was, they used to do it for a leisure time. They used to make a hobby. But now, what happens is, vlogging and blogging is gaining popularity as a profession. So, how to be a vlogger or blogger? You just need the right skills, right resources, okay? So for a blogger, writing skills are very important. Technical knowledge to use this tool is essential to become a vlogger. So nowadays you will also need to know how to optimize the content to increase its reach. Mass communication course will give you the opportunity to acquire these skills. So these are the few career options that I have told you today. Now let me tell you what is the syllabus in your class, that is in class 11. In class 11 this year you will be having two papers. Subject paper 1 for theory for 70 marks and paper 2 project work will comprise of 30 marks. The chapter that includes in your syllabus are chapter number 1 communication, number 2 basis of journalism, number 3 radio programs, number 4 programs for television, number 5 public relation, number 6 new media. So these are the chapter name of the chapters that you need to study this year, and also you have to complete 2 project work, okay? So the topic that is covered in the theory, you have to do project work according to the topics covered in the theory, and project work will be, one will be the written project and another one will be a audio visual project that I will explain you later on. Now, okay, my dear student, so I have already said to you about the importance of taking this course, who are eligible of taking this course, what are the career prospects of taking this course. So just imagine a day without mass communication. If mass media and communication would black out for a day, there is no news, no news channels, no program coming from the radios, no Facebook, no Instagram, no WhatsApp. What will happen? The world will descend into anarchy. We are where we are today because of only mass media and communication. So, mass media and communication plays a huge role in the life of the people. So, listening to the radio in the morning for traffic, that is mass communication. Getting the news, watching news, breaking news in the television in the morning and getting news from all around the world, that is mass communication. Watching television for entertainment, that is also mass communication. So, doing everything from above on social networking skills, that is also known as mass media and communication. So, each of this medium has to be responsible to the public. They could connect communities and they could entertain, persuade and even inform the people. So today, see, we are able to connect to each other. I am taking your online classes. Many teachers from all over the world, they are taking online classes. They are able to give knowledge to you and you are able to learn. This is all because of mass media and communication. Even in this pandemic of COVID-19, we are able to communicate with each other. We are able to inform you. You are able to learn many new things. Okay, so this is all because of mass media and communication. Okay, this much for today's introductory class. Hope this class was helpful for you all. Okay, then if you have any doubt, any queries, please let me know. Okay, and please feel free to contact me. Have a good day. Bye.